Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, we will learn how you can apply for FIFA World Cup 2026 Canada eTA visa. So if you are a British national and you wanted to go for Canada to watch football match, then how you can go. This is how I have received the email. Status says ETA approved, my name, passport number, ETA number, expiry date. Expiry date is 2031. Whenever you will apply, you will get around 5 years for that. The email is from cic.gc.ca. So make sure you check this email. It usually go in junk email, and this is how I have received. It says your application for ETA has been approved. You are now authorized to travel to Canada by air. When you travel to Canada, you will need to bring passport you used to apply for your ETA. As the ETA is electronically linked to it, you should obtain a new passport. You will need a new ETA. So for example, if you renew your passport, then you need new ETA. That's what the rule is. And if you are using the different passport from different country to apply ETA, then you need that passport. Airline checked in staff and the Canada Border Service Agency will have electronic access to your ETA status using your passport. So make sure you have this. So in this video, I will show you my journey, how I have applied Canada ETA visa to watch the football match. So for this, first we will go on Google. In the search section, we will write canada.ca, the only official Canadian website for visa purpose. Click on immigration and citizenship. You will land on this page. At the bottom, you will click on visit Canada. Then you will have this option, FIFA World Cup 2026. Find out what you need to travel to Canada. Click on this link. This will take you to this page. At the bottom, it says find out what you need and apply. So if you are a British national, you got British passport, then in that case, you will apply for ETA application. But if you don't have British nationality, holding any other passport, then it's visitor visa application depending on your passport. Click apply for an ETA. Just click this link. This link will take you to this page where it says about the process, who can apply. After you apply, you can select language, which languages you want. So we'll go with the English at the moment. What you need to complete the form and pay for your ETA. ETA is very cheap compared to visa. Visa will cost 100 Canadian dollar, whereas ETA will only cost 7 Canadian. So we can apply directly. So just click apply for an ETA. This page will tell you that one person at a time, and ETA doesn't allow you to work in Canada, and ETA doesn't allow you to study in Canada, print your receipt, email update and approval. Next, go down, click get final instruction to apply for an ETA. Final instruction to apply for an ETA. I'm applying for an ETA, a passport issued by another country. So it's not Austria, France, Mexico, it's another country. What do you plan to do in Canada? So the idea is to visit as a tourist. And then these are the instructions to apply your passport information. These are the details, which are just basic ones. Continue to the ETA application form. Click this link. When the next question is, are you applying on behalf of someone? No. Next. Complete the application form. What travel documents do you plan to use? So I wanted to use my passport. The next question is, select the code that matches your passport. So on this list, you will go in the G section, and then you have these options. You will select GBR, UK British citizen. What is the nationality noted on this passport? So we'll go down in this list and we will select United Kingdom British citizen. So UK British citizen, we'll select this one. Passport details of the applicant. So passport number, enter, re-enter that. Surname as per the passport, given name, date of birth, gender, country of birth, town, date of issue of your passport, expiry date of the passport, personal details of the applicant. You will select all these details, contact information, residential address, travel information, and then you will enter the agree and click signature, enter your name on it, click proceed to payment. Next, you will land on this page where it will ask for the payment. Electronic travel authorization, ETA, quantity 1, 7 Canadian dollar. You just need to click transmit and pay. You will land on the page where it will ask for the email address, phone number, cardholder name, card number, and the billing address. Order summary, click checkout. Once your payment is done, you will get this kind of a page. You just click back button and then you will land up on this page. Next step, after you apply for an ETA, you will soon receive an email from Immigration Canada. Make sure you check your junk folder because sometimes these emails always end up in junk folder. If your ETA is approved, you will receive an email that includes your ETA number. Keep this number in case you need to contact us. Check the status of your ETA in the future. I have created another video in which I have showed how you can check the status of your ETA. Check passport number, make sure everything is correct. If you entered wrong passport number, you not be able to board your flight to Canada. So make sure you check your ETA along with your passport number. If everything is good, then that means it's all done and you're good to go.